Hey, what's going on guys? This is Amir Hussain and you are watching Trick I Know YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new projector from banggood.com. This is a BlitzWolf VP12 Wi-Fi projector. It's not the expensive one, but it provides a decent picture quality which will completely change your movie experience. In this video, I am not only reviewing this projector, but I will show you how to completely transform your normal room into a movie theater. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So here we are guys. Now let's start with a quick unboxing. In the box we have BlitzWolf projector itself, and here is the another box inside the box. In this box we have projector accessories. Here we have AC main lead, an audio video cable, HDMI cable, a lens cleaner, a lightweight remote which runs on AAA battery, and here are some instruction manuals. Now let's take a closer look of our main product. Here is the front part of the projector with a nice shiny projector lens, and there is also a hidden cap to save it from the dust. This is the top area guys. In top we have a metallic BlitzWolf logo with lots of buttons including power, up, down, menu, source, back, etc. And also there is a tiny LED indicator. In the left side we have a power socket, some breathing space, and a gear for manual focus. In the right side we have audio video socket, headphone socket, 2 USB ports and one HDMI socket. And if you take a closer look, here is a breathing space with a huge heatsink which keeps the projector cool while performing. This is the back part of the projector. Here we have 2 stereo speakers, an infrared sensor, and a keystone gear to adjust the screen vertically. Now if you take a look into the bottom of this projector, here we have some breathing space, a tripod mount, and here is an easy access door which you can let me show you guys. This easy access door is for cleaning purpose. Whenever you got dust or black spot on your projection glass, you can simply clean it from here. No need to open the whole projector. Now guys, now it's time to check out some features. This BlitzWolf projector comes in 2 versions, VP12 and VP12 Pro. VP12 is a basic version and VP12 Pro is a cast screen version. The Pro version allows you to connect your mobile or laptop via Wi-Fi. The official lamp life is 40,000 hours with the 16.7 million display colors. The native display of this projector is 800 x 480p, while the max support resolution is 1080p. The official image contrast ratio is 3000:1, while the throw distance is 1.5 meter to 5 meters, and the minimum projection screen is 30 inches to maximum 170 inches, and the aspect ratio you can choose between 4:3 or 16:9. You can buy this projector from banggood.com. The link is given in the video description. Now guys, let's check how to set up and make your normal room a movie theater. First, you have to need a white wall like this. This wall is about 11 feet wider, and as you can see, I managed to move my PC from that white wall from this grey wall to test the projector. To fix the projector, I am using a simple light stand which have a tripod mount. All you have to do, just take the projector and align the mounts and simply rotate it like this. That's it. So how simple that was. So this is a standard light stand. If you want this, I will put a link in the video description. And here is a little setup which I am going to connect with the projector. Here is my Creative 2.0 speaker and a HP i5 laptop. So guys, this is the situation of my room. I put the projector in the opposite of the white wall. The total distance between the wall and the projector is approx 12.8 feet. So guys, make sure to maintain this distance to get better results. Now guys, I am going to power up the projector. Here the power is. Now my projector is ready to start. You can see the red light is blinking. To turn it on, just press the power button for a second and boom, the projection is on the wall. As you can see, the room lights are on and we still be able to see the projection. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now let's see with the lights off. So here is the home screen of our projector. Here we have 4 ways to connect the devices. We have HDMI, screencast, audio video and USB input. Now let's have a look into the settings. In the settings, here we have picture mode to adjust color, brightness, etc. Here is the audio settings and here are some options to change the aspect ratio and the projection mode. Now guys, I am going to connect my laptop to the projector. To connect the laptop, all you have to do, just take a HDMI cable and plug it to the laptop's HDMI port to the projector's HDMI port. And if you have an external speaker, then plug the speaker's wire to the headphone port as well. Now select the HDMI option from the main menu and here you can see our projector is connected to the laptop. Now guys, the question is how big it is. So here I am guys with a measuring tape and now I will measure how big it is. With the 12 feet away from the wall, the projection height is 55 inches, the width is 98 inches and corner to corner guys, guess how much? 115 inches. So we have a huge screen of 100 plus inches to watch movies and for play games. Do you think it's fake? Let me show you an example. Here is my 27 inches LG monitor which I reviewed few months ago. This is my personal room and now I will show you my 100 plus inches screen. I think you got it guys, but you still don't. Let me show you another example. Do you want to see a 27 inches monitor in the front of the 100 inches screen? Let's have a look. This is a 27 inches 4K monitor guys. See how tiny this monitor is looking guys. So here I successfully set up my movie theater and I am really enjoying it. I didn't believe such cheap projector has a great quality.
I do not stand by in the presence of evil. I do not stand by in the presence of evil.
The wait is over and here is the quality test. After watching movies on this projector for a week, finally I found the best settings for the picture mode. Here I set the contrast to 65, brightness 40, color 75, sharpness 100, color temperature warm and noise reduction set to high. If you increase the brightness above 40, you will see an exposed picture with lots of white colors. Better you can keep it to around 40. Same with the contrast. If you increase the contrast too much, the picture quality will be so harsh and warm. So I set it to about 60%. Now guys, have a look on the picture quality of the projection.
इसका जवाब आप जानते थे, आपको हमेशा से पता था।
तुम एक अर्न बज़र्गर हो, दुनिया का सबसे एडवांस्ड और खतरनाक साइबोर्ग हथियार। और यही वजह है कि मैं तुम्हें कभी भी इस शरीर से नहीं जोड़ूंगा।
लगता है इससे भी बड़ा हेलमेट लगेगा।
काफी दम देखना है मेरा, तो एक बार बेड़ियां खोल दे छोटे, सबका दम निकाल दूंगा।
दुश्मन मुझे मारने की बात कर रहे थे, पर मुझे देखकर बोले, चुप चुप जियो, बड़ी लंबी उम्र है तेरी।
फालतू की तोड़फोड़ क्यों कर रहा हो? ठीक है।
भूल जाओ,
सॉरी, मैं पूछ नहीं रहा हूँ।
बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो।
हाँ, आप सही, मैं गलत, पर मुझे वो मणि चाहिए और भैंस का पक।
कौन हो तुम? शायद इससे तेरी याद ताजा हो जाए।
कैसा लगा मिस्टर एंडरसन, आने वाली मौत को देखकर? क्यों डर गए ना? क्यों मिस्टर एंडरसन, क्यों जिद कर रहे हैं मुझसे? क्योंकि मैंने यही चुना है।
उससे बढ़कर कुछ चाहिए।
बादशाह से बढ़कर कौन होगा?
एक हीरो हर एक के रखवाले हो।
क्यों मिस्टर एंडरसन, क्यों जिद कर रहे हैं मुझसे?
You can also do gaming on this projector. Just connect your gaming PC or PlayStation or Xbox and enjoy gaming on this 100-inch screen. And as you can see, I am not facing any difficulty to play the game. Here I am sitting on the table, by the way. Now here is the last section of this video, how to connect the projector with phone. Just go to the home page and select cast screen. After that you will see Android Miracast dashboard. In the dashboard all instructions are given, but here is a quick tutorial. Take out your smartphone and turn on the Wi-Fi and the location of the phone. Now tap and hold the Wi-Fi for a second and select your projector Wi-Fi. Now it will ask you for a password. You will find the password in the Android Miracast dashboard right there. Enter that password and connect the projector. Now go to your phone's screencast setting and select your projector. Now in the few seconds your display will be in the projection screen. Now you can do whatever you want to do. Here is my baby's video playing in grass. So guys, that was my video on this BlitzWolf projector. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe my channel for more gadget reviews and how-to tutorials. So thanks a lot for watching guys. See you in my next video.